Hello everyone, welcome back. Now today we're going to be doing some framework. Now it's a little bit tricky, there's quite a few issues that I've got to negate round, but I am looking forward to getting this started. So I'm going to get set up, I'm going to start framing out the bottom half of this wall. So here's the plan. The wall tapers out. If you look at the base of the post there, it's touching. And as you go up, obviously this post is level. When you get up to the top, that is how far out the wall kicks out the bottom, basically. So what my way of thinking was, I need to run cables and bits and pieces around that area. So I'm going to build it out, level it off to that point now, and run that all the way across there. Now I'm toying with the idea of this section being like an open bookcase. This one will be staggered back and probably closed off completely. It's a little bit tricky to kind of explain what I'm aiming to do. I mean, that could be closed in. We could have a light set in there for this side. That could work. I can get all my cables and that through the bottom, insulate it. So yeah, tricky little area, but one that I need to start thinking about now. So I need to run the sole plate through there, behind the upright post and over to the corner. That's when things get a little bit interesting, because there's quite a few different levels I've got to get my head around. Keeping it tight to the base of that wall may need me to use it on edge like that. If I lay it flat, then I start protruding more into the room, which I don't really want to do. Yeah, it does run past just. I might have to trim it a bit. So that is an option. We start from there and then we'll level up. Are you with me at the minute? And just continue this across here, frame it around the step, and I've got to return it back to this corner. And then at some stage, probably level with that, if it works out, there'll be a shelf on this bit, and that will drop back, and then the framework will pick up with the header there. So down to there, and then a shelf, and then down level to there. That's what I'm aiming for anyway. Sometimes it's easier said than done, but unless you start, you don't know quite how it's going to work out. Yeah, I've toyed with the idea of chamfering off the corner here. There's still plenty of room to come round. Maybe an option. I'll look at that when I come to this level. I kind of want to get the frame set out in advance for cabling and other things. One of those things is obviously the front door. Yeah. Right, let's get my thinking cap on. Okay, so we've got our level for that side. Can pretty much take care of that now, it's not an issue. Now let's work this side out. Okay. Down and then another one on top. So yes, already I've got enough room to now turn it on its side. If I'd done that on the base, then it would come out too far. I don't really want to lose any more wall than need be. So that's a way around that. Yep, let's try the other end. Okay, go something like that. That could work. It's just catching the wall. Okay. So we're getting there. The initial bit is always the hardest, getting your levels and that straight, so we're making progress. And at the same time, got to be careful not to tread on here. I've already done it a couple of times. Next job, got to get that underneath, like so, fixing through there, and then fixing through there, and that'll be our shelf, or the back of it, and then we can work up from there. Until it's getting late, the blackbirds are making a noise. Telling me to hurry up. Okay, I'm just going to cut this one off now. Make sure I don't cut the back one off. So, that's what we're left with. Get the upright in there. Can you hear the owl? You can hear me. I think I woke them all up. It's coming along nicely. Yeah, it works. Well, I have just about run out of daylight hours. So that is it for this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.